Hello friends, in last video we did add, edit, delete unit part. Now in this video I am going to show you add, edit, delete purchase party info, means to whom we are going to buy our products. We are going to add the info of that person. So for that we need to create one page, new PHP file. Here we are going to write add new party.php. So you can see this page is created, but before we start the coding we need to create the table. We are going to take here 7 field. Here ID integer, then 5, then here primary key, and here we need auto increment. Now here we are going to take first name, here we are going to take last name, then we are going to take business name, then after contact, then address, and then after we are going to take city. If you don't want any field, then we can delete it. I just take common fields. Here 50, here 100, here 20, and city 50. Yeah. So you can see our table is created. Now we are going to create form for insert. So again we are going to take this detail, add new user detail. So I'm going to copy. Here I'm going to paste. I copy all the code of this add new user. Now again I tell you why I copy and paste, because here you can see our all insert and display code are ready. Just we need to change our heading and text box name and change something insert query. So we don't need to do too much work. That's why I copy and paste. So if you not created this page, add new user, then please create it, because in this page I show you already everything step by step. Just create it and then you can copy and paste here. So now add new party page is created, but we need to set in menu also. So I open add.php. Here I am going to write add new party. Yeah, so we added here. Now here we are going to change here heading. Now first of all we change all the heading. So first of all, first heading is first name, that is fine. Here we have last name, that is fine. Now here we need business name, and here also we are going to change business name. Here we are going to change business name, and then after we need contact. So here I am going to take contact, here text, enter contact number, and here again we are going to take contact. Yeah, contact is done. Then we don't need this drop down, so I'm going to delete this drop down. And now again I'm going to copy these things. So just copy and paste. Now after contact we need address, so I'm going to take address. For address we need text area, so I'm going to take here text area. Here we need to use class, and we need to give name, address. Yeah, now we can delete these things. Yeah, that is fine. Now again we need contact address, and now we need city. So for city also we are going to paste this city. Here we need to give name city. Here enter city. Okay, so we are going to check. Add new party. So here you can see first name, then last name, then business name, then contact, then address, and we have now city. So this is fine. Now here we don't need to check this. So I am going to delete this message. Here record inserted successfully, that we need. Here displaying part. So displaying part also we are going to set first name, last name, then here we need business name. Then after we need contact, then after we need address, then after we need city. Now here we are going to change our table name. Our table name is party info. Just I am going to copy this party info. Here we are going to paste. Then first name, last name. Here we are going to take business name, then contact, then address, and now I am going to take city. Here we are going to create new page, but right now just I am going to write here page name. Yeah, this is fine. Now here we are going to check here this username exists or not, because due to this add new user, but here we don't need this, so I am going to delete this. Only insert query, and here also I am going to delete this curly bracket. Here we are going to write our table name, party underscore info, then first name, last name, this is fine. Here we are going to use business name, then after we have contact, and after contact we have address. So I am going to take here address, and then after we have city. So I am going to remove this active. City. Yeah, so first name, last name, business name, contact, address, and city, that is fine. And in last we need to write or die. So if we are getting any error, so we can see that. Yeah, this is fine. So now first of all we are going to check. And now save. Now I am going to refresh this. So here you can see we are getting this record, but we need to refresh this automatically. So here we don't have this error message, so I'm going to remove this. So it will now refresh automatically. Okay, this is fine. So now next video I am going to show you how you can perform this edit and delete operation. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you like my video, then please like it and share it. Thank you so much again.